Next presenter, next startup, give it up for SportMe!
Okay.
You're good? You can start.
Yes. Have you ever had a problem synchronizing your free time with your friend's free time? I know you had. But imagine now the same problem on using your free time for sports. You have to synchronize free time of your friends with free time in sports center at a location that suits everyone. We had a problem all the time. However, in the meantime, new problem occurred when few of that players canceled their agreements. At the other side, we have problem with sports centers that we call. And third, the biggest problem is connected to sports centers, which have a lot of free capacity and available terms for which these users don't know about. That's why we made SportMe. SportMe EU is a booking platform and social network of the sports world, the complete solution for all. We connect three types of entities: sports centers, sport users, and personal sport traders. From now on, sport users can book or buy any sport activity or service in real time based on their preferences of choice. At the other side, sports centers have complete administration and management by smartphone, tablet, or PC. We have a very simple business model, but already very successful one. Sports centers pay us commission for each reservation realized through our system, and personal trainers pay us fixed amount for using our system as a platform for their business and promotion. One of examples of our successful business model is that one full cooperated sports center, middle-sized, brings us in average 300 euros per month, and today we have about 8 reservations per day without any marketing. We found SportMe in April 2013. Already in September 2013, we launched the first beta version. That version, through whole that year, is making money. And after 1 year, we launched a new version with redesign and new functions and features. And we have 120 sports centers, more than 1,000 active users with their profiles, and all that without any marketing budget. We are planning till June 2015 to have whole Croatian market. This is only Zagreb. And we will be ready at November 2015 to conquer new markets, and for that we need some investment or some kind of financial pull-up. Before we took this journey, we have done detailed market research to find competition. At domestic market we don't have any of them, but at the foreign market there are few similar portals and systems who went into this journey. But none of them are conceptually and technically level. This is our team. We have 6 members. We have top developers, project management, and 2 marketing assistants. But why should we become a market leaders and why we are so different? Well, we add additional value for each member of the value chain. So from now on, sports centers have direct communication with all existing and potential customers, because all SportMe users can receive notification for their listed favorite sports. The same SportMe user have new features such as find a team or a player, so no more hassle with canceling arrangements. They have sports statistic, loyalty program, creation of joint events, and similarly. Personal trainers also have the most efficient way of communication between them and users, because after each completed booking, SportMe system automatically recommends them a personal trainer based on their preferences of choice. So with SportMe, sport and sport activity are available anytime and anywhere, so book and connect, it's never been easier. For those who are interested in investment, you can find me here till the end of the day, and here are my contacts. Thank you.
Bravo.